In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an object from one AutoCAD drawing file to another drawing file easily and efficiently. Whether you're new to AutoCAD or just needing a refresher, this guide is here to make the process as smooth as possible. To begin, it's important to ensure that you have both of your drawing files open. This means you'll need to launch AutoCAD and then load the two DWG files, one that contains the object you wish to copy and the other where you want to paste the selection. Open each file in separate windows or tabs for seamless navigation. Once you have both files open, navigate to the file containing the drawing you want to replicate. Simply select the objects that you wish to copy. It's crucial to highlight everything you need to transfer to the new file. With your desired selection in hand, let's move on to the next essential step. To copy the selection, press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This command will copy everything you've highlighted. By default, AutoCAD sets the base point of the copied objects to the lower left corner of your selection. However, if you prefer to specify your own base point, you have the option to fine-tune this. Instead of just using Ctrl plus C, you can press Ctrl, Shift and C together. AutoCAD then prompts you to click on the specific base point you want to use. Selecting a strategic base point can help in aligning and placing your pasted objects more precisely in the target file. Now, let's jump over to the second AutoCAD file where you need to paste your copied selection. Once you're there, the process is straightforward. You can either press Ctrl and V on your keyboard or opt to right-click and select the paste option from the menu. This will insert your selection into the new drawing file. After pasting, you can move or precisely position your pasted object using the base point you've defined. This method ensures you maintain the alignment and orientation necessary for a seamless integration into your new drawing. This technique is not only efficient, but also maintains the integrity of your designs, making it ideal for managing elements across multiple projects or collaborating with other team members who might be working on different segments of a larger architectural project. By following these instructions, you should be able to copy objects from one AutoCAD drawing file to another with ease. This skill can be particularly useful in a range of professional scenarios, such as collaborative projects or when managing different versions of a design. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to mastering AutoCAD functionalities.